Hello, Top 20 Training is back. It's almost Wednesday again. Today's tip from Tom and the people at Top 20 Training is about indicators. We got to be able to read as educators when we're starting to slip off from our purpose, get a little too excited about some of the meaningless stuff we deal with every day. Keep an eye on your indicator. Some of you may get a headache when you start to lose it and go below line. Some of you may feel tension in your neck. Some of you may get louder. Some of you may be like me and get a little more sarcastic. But it's really super important to read your gas meter and see whether you're on empty or full on your indicator. Keep an eye on that stuff. If you're not sure, ask your kids. If you're not sure, ask your people at home. Ask the person who teaches across the hall. But we got to get more aware of what we read in ourselves so we can be more effective with kids. This is Tom from Top 20. See you next week. Bye.